Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with my trusty Cutterpillar Pro. I think I got this probably 6 years ago, and it has worked wonderfully. But I just did a boo-boo, and I have a piece of paper, probably had adhesive on it, because I was trying to cut something with adhesive on it, and it's wrapped around the gear. So another thing that could happen is you could get adhesive on the blade itself. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. So if you have problems rolling it on the bar here, it's probably the sprocket or gear is wound up or stuck on something. There's a gear here, a gear here, and my little piece of paper is there. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver. Whoops. These have a lifetime warranty on them, so I've never, besides getting adhesive on the wheel and this problem, I've never had a problem with this cutter. So we're going to take out that screw, don't lose it, and take out this screw. And then we have to take out the screw that the blade is on. Not the easiest thing to get to, but okay. After those screws are out, we should be able to lift this top off. And there you go. And while I have this taken apart, I'm going to clean it. But you can see here, let me zoom you in. Here's my problem. So far all we've done is taken 3 screws out and take this plate out. I'm going to take out my paper. Don't cut yourself on the blade. Actually, I'm going to take the blade out too. Just going to roll him around, get this paper out. And yes, there's definitely adhesive on it. This is what I use to clean my, or to weed my vinyl, by the way. Okay, there it is. Now you can test it by pushing it up against the metal blade and rolling it back and forth. Now this is going to be loose because this isn't in place, but it's definitely rolling. I'm just going to clean off the blade with just a tiny bit of water. And a tissue. Don't touch the blade. It's sharp. Sorry about that. I'm just going from the outside, or going from the inside out. Okay. So that side of the blade is clean. If you If you need to clean the other side, you can do that when the cover's on. So I suggest putting the cover back on. I have a little bit of paper dust in this holder. Just like that. All you gotta do is place this back over the screw holes, and all the screws are the same, and you just put them back in, and that should fix your problem. If you have a different problem, or if it doesn't work after you're done doing these steps, then it has a lifetime warranty on it. So call Provo Craft and they will help you out. That one may be a little shorter and fatter. That one may be a different screw. Don't tighten them too tight. It's just plastic. Looks like the same screw. Oops. So if you have it away from the guide, it's going to run rougher. If you push it up against the guide and slide it up and down. And if you want to clean that part of your blade, the outside of your blade, I just recommend cleaning it while it's on your cutter. So if you have adhesive on this side of your blade, just roll it a little bit at a time. Keep your fingers away from the blade itself. And just wipe that adhesive off with a damp cloth or whatever adhesive remover you want to use. I don't recommend using any oil on it because then your paper will be oily until you get the residue off. I have a big glump right here, so I'm just going to take my metal tool and scrape it off. It wasn't really affecting my cutting, but it's on there. Okay, and that is how you fix a paper jam in your Cutterpillar. So I hope this was useful. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.